Hi dude, with you I'm hiding.
Oh shit, here we go again.
It's great video because I found stuff in my YouTube channel. You always search in the internet and sometimes it's very weird. I don't know pronounce weird.
Shut up!
Strange sites. It's my rubrica. Also, you see my room is clean. I don't clean it 3 or 4 years, I don't know. And why you opened this video? Maybe game about this cereal, but when I was younger I watch cartoon about this family.
What's so great about being yourself when you can be like everyone else?
What the heck? How shoes? Only one shoes. What the heck?
Oh shit! A spot!
Put all what we can do.
Slapper can also stroke.
Going in the wind as an empty of the
It's side what the finger put place where you located your mouse. Yes, random people it's do. Yeah, but it put in the center. Do it. Oh. Oh no. Let's go to other side. Weird or confusing? I don't get it. Was it farting animal coloring book? It's weird. Very weird. I can do this. Guys, do you see a black guy? I don't know what he doing, but he says a lot about gangs, bands, and wearing strange bandana.
I guess because the area we grow up in, man. Everybody go in that area, man. Everybody follow the same line. BGs grow up to be OGs. Little niggas
His
like
gang name.
I don't know.
Bad. Your life could be worse. You could be a
Go ahead.
blanket.
I'm just a stupid old blanket. What a lousy life this is.
I don't know how with one like rock. Maybe we try my work. Doing nothing. No. Maybe this. Maybe this. Poets, great writers. Automatic risk 44%. Oh my. It's a lot. It's a lot says about so shitty. It's a game about finding the invisible cow with hearing. So, once I put my headphones. Yeah! What we can also do with Wednesday.
FBI, open up!
hate me.
Are you a Wednesday fan? Wednesday Addams is expelled from Nanny Reagan's high school after she punched some boys for bullying her brother. What does she use to punch them? I don't know, gods. These questions I answer with no vision. It's be this. Yeah. With no vision I win. 1 of 10. 1 of 10, but 1 correct was with no eyes. So funny. Comment like this shit if you want more new rolling after week. See you again, bitch.